guys! Welcome back to my page, Akiko Knows. So, harap lang ako ng slide. Okay. So, kakabalik ko lang from office. Ngayon, I'm just gonna pack my things because aalis kami this weekend. So ngayon, gusto ko na i-share sa inyo kung paano ko ino-organize yung mga receipts ko, kung paano ko ino-organize yung mga bills na kailangan kong bayaran for the month. Okay, so I believe lahat naman tayo may mga bills na binabayaran every month. So, ngayon, ito yung aking handy-dandy envelope. So, itong plastic envelope, madami siyang section sa loob. Binili ko siya sa Japan Home Center. Parang duling ako. Dito na ako. Sorry medyo haggard. Yung naka-ID pa nga ako. Tanggalin ko lang. Sa Japan Home Center for only 88 pesos. So, eto, very useful siya sa akin kasi nalalagay ko dito yung mga receipts ko, tapos yung mga forms na bayad ko na. So, pag may mga kailangan ako i-double check, nandito siya lahat, hindi ako mahihirapan maghanap. So, ngayon, isa-isahin lang natin. So, etong isang envelope na to, meron siyang madaming sections, pero bilangin natin siya. So, 1, 2, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. So, ito siya. Ito yung harap niya. Tapos, ito yung loob niya. So, may mga different sections siya. Sorry medyo nagulo ko kasi. Nilagay ko kasi receipt ng taxi. So, ngayon, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano ba yung laman per section nitong envelope ko. So yun, bukod kasi dito, meron pa akong Excel file kung saan naka-indicate dun lahat kung magkano yung budget ko for specific na bill. For example, for myself, Meralco bill, magkano ba yun? Nandun yung sa Excel for this column, tapos nandun sa taas yung mga, tapos for yun, Meralco bill, PLDT, Manila Water, internet, ay kasama na pala sa PLDT yun, insurance, dalawa kasi insurance ko, tapos ano pa ba, tithes, allowance, savings, tapos yung mga other na expenses na parang biglaan. Doon siya nakatali sa Excel file. Tapos, syempre, yung mga resibo dito, tapos yung mga forms, like for example, bank forms, tapos yung sa SSS Pag-ibig PhilHealth, di ba, binabayaran namin siya sa Bayad Center. So, kaya meron ako dito mga blank forms for Bayad Center. And also, dito ko din nilalagay yung mga receipts after namin babayaran sa Bayad Center. So, importante i-keep natin yung mga receipts kasi may times na kailangan i-verify, hindi pala na-credit yung mga payments. So, importante yun. Makikita natin agad siya dito. So, ngayon, share ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. So, yung kung hindi nyo siya nakikita, ayan, isa-isahin ko na lang siya. So, for the first section, I have here the receipts for my tithes. So, yan, very important yan. Diba? Sabi sa Bible, at least 10% of your income you have to give back to our God. So, yan. Naman din na yun, nakalagay din yung gift certificate ko from my Jasper Financial Metro East family. Because I'm an insurance agent, that's why I have this page also, to create awareness sa aking mga friends and followers about financial planning and the importance of insurance. So, segue, diba? So, dahil at least I met 3 people last May, I have this gift certificate worth 200 pesos in Starbucks. So, yan. At dahil Life Insurance Consciousness Week ngayon, gusto ko lang itanong kung are you covered, guys? You have to get insured now. It's very important. So, hindi ko na muna yun elaborate sa next na video na lang. Okay? Ayun, sorry medyo amateur pa tayo may video. So, for the next section, I don't have anything yet in here. So, skip natin siya. The third section is bank receipts. Okay, so, kasi, I have 2 bank accounts actually. But I have 2 bank accounts. One is in Philippine Business Bank. So, yan. Pinaklose ko na siya this last September lang. Actually, last month. Why? Kasi, malayo siya sa bahay namin. And, hindi siya practical every time nagpunta ko doon. Medyo hassle. Bakit ko ba siya inopen? Kasi, inopen ko siya for the condo lang na tita ko. So, since hindi na kami nagbabayad, pinaklose ko na din. So, the next one is for BDO. Hindi po to sponsored Ito po talaga yung bangko ko. Pero kung gusto niyo po akong sponsor, pwede niyo po akong gawing artista. Okay, so there's one BDO. This is my savings account. Ayan, I always compile all of the deposit slips I have or for every transaction I keep it. Kasi may mga binabayaran din ako through BDO and other banks din na kailangan through this, like yung for example yung sa registered financial planner na course yun. Nag-enroll kasi ako dun last June. So, yun. Hindi ko siya natapos agad kasi nagka-dengue ako. So, registered financial planner is more about financial planning. If you want to learn about financial planning. So, I got interested when I attended the Financial Fitness Forum early this year in SM Aura convention. So, there's a lot of financial gurus out there who are also an RFP. So, if you're interested to learn more about the concept of financial planning, yun, mag-enroll kayo. It's very, very, very interesting and you'll get a lot of things to learn, especially for me who is a financial literacy advocate. So, batch 72 is now open. I'm not sure about the details. So, if you're interested, just go to the Facebook page of Registered Financial Planner in the Philippines. Okay? Ayun. So, balik po tayo. Sa next part, I have different bank forms and application forms. Since savings account ko po is BDO, I have blank forms of BDO. I also have blank forms of Bayad Center. Yan. Bakit gusto ko na may blank forms ako? Kasi para pagdating mo sa bangko, na-fill upan mo na siya sa bahay. You don't have to fill it up in the bank mismo, diba? Kasi it's time consuming, especially kung mahaba na yung pila after, diba? Imbis na nakapila ka na, sulat-sulat ka pa siya, bilangin mo pa ako, ilayon din naman kung ano yung kung magkano yung total denomination, diba? So, guys, if I were you, it's a great tip na you should have blank forms. Okay, the next part is different kinds of receipts. So, I have here the receipt of my friend shoes kasi nagpabili siya sa akin ng sa Sleep Point sa Marikina. So, hindi ko pa nabibigay yung shoes kaya nasa akin pa yung receipt. So, thank you so much kasi, thank you so much to, say thank you to me na lang kasi, diba, hassle, malayo nun girl, pero, ito pa din ako, binili ko pa rin. Okay, so for the next receipt I have here is my initial payment in association of RFPs in the Philippines Incorporated. So the deposit is 5,000. Kita niyo ba? Hindi ko kasi kita. Ayan. 5,000 kasi baliktad. 5,000 so nakatabi lang din dito yon. The next part ay yung mga toothpaste. Since first week pa lang ng month, tapos ko na kasi bayaran yung pang September. Ang nandito lang is yung mga bayad na. So, ito na yung resibo. So, I have here a lot of receipts from Bayad Center. Kasi dito kami nagbabayad ng SSS voluntary contribution ni Papa sa PhilHealth niya, sa pag-ibig niya, and also sa loan niya. So, yun. May transaction fee nga hindi ko lang kabisado, pero sa SSS, wala namang transaction fee. Saan to? Sa pag-ibig may transaction fee na 7. Sa PhilHealth, may service fee na 8 pesos. So, hindi siya pantay-pantay. Ayan. So, sa mga nagbabayad din po ng mga SSS voluntary contribution, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, ito na po kayo magbayad sa bayad sa at least one stop na lang po. Pwede din po yata sa banks, pero sabi kasi ng friend ko na nagwo-work sa SSS, medyo matagal yung turnover pag sa bank, medyo matagal mag-credit. So, kaya sa bayad center kami nagbayad. So, the next one is my receipt in my insurance, which is, one is ProLife UK, and I also have Manulife. Okay, so yan, ko pa siya nabubuksan. Good thing kasi pwede din siya ma-track online, pero you still have to keep it right. Ayan. So, yung last part is, I have here my provisionary receipt in ProLife UK because I'm an insurance agent, and this is so important. It's important kasi this is the receipt we issue dun sa mga close cases namin. So, it's important for me to keep it, and ayoko siyang ma-misplace kasi when you misplace it, you have to pay a certain amount and you have to publish an announcement in a newspaper. Because, syempre, resibo to. Sabi mo yun yung medyo mangyayari, kailangan mo siyang ipansyaryo na nawala siya, ganun. So, there, basically, this is my envelope. This is where I keep all of the things I have to pay, and ayun, doon ko lang siya ino-organize. So, I hope you learned something from this video. Ayun, this is my first video that I will publish, and I hope that you will support my page, you will share it to your friends, you will follow. Yun. So, I also have different social media accounts. I have one in Instagram. It's at Akiko Knows, AKIKO KNOWS. And in Facebook, Akiko Knows, same spelling. Ayun. So, ayun, I usually share tips and tricks about financial planning, about insurance, because I'm an insurance agent. Yeah, insurance agent. And also, I have an online shop, which is Akiko Shopping. So, please follow it in Instagram and in Facebook as well. It's at Akiko Shopping, AKIKOWSHOPPING. I sell overrun and authentic items from the US. So, yun, perfect Christmas gifts for your friends, family, loved ones. So, yun. Ayun, see you around, and if you have any request, please feel free to comment down below. See you and have a great day.